Well, it's day one. Just saying goodbye to the old fridge. I've had this for almost 5 years now. Given to us by my aunt in 2002. I'm pretty sure it is 2002. If I can find it. Amps. Yes, Hall's 4 amps. But this is the end of this fridge. Well, not really the end. We're just giving it away to Mexico via our neighbors. The milk? Oh, it was. Got a down bar in there. But I'm gonna miss this fridge. This replaced our old one from 1999. 5 years ago. This gave me cold drinks in the summer. That's all that mattered. So this is day one of saying bye to the old fridge. We're getting a new fridge. It's 2 years new, 2 years old. And I just hope it's just a classic fridge like this. Oh, and it just turned on. I hope it's just a classic fridge like this, because if anyone like at Jordan UYT hates anything, it's modern products. But I just hope that our new fridge is built like this one. Frigidaire. This is day one. Getting rid of the old fridge. Well, not really getting rid of it, just giving it away. But saying goodbye to it. Day one. Have a good day. Goodbye.